Hello guys, we're actually here again. I'm doing some unboxing. I'm gonna show you this one. I'm a type of person that really cannot sleep without any light, even just like a very small light or illumination in my room. So I'm browsing through Lazada and I found this some kind of lampshade. It's kind of small if you see it, and there's really no box in it. It is in this some plastic, and here would be the serial number. It's made in China, of course. And we are going to take a look if this would be good enough to illuminate my room. Okay, hang on. So I'm gonna open it. So this is like a foxy lamp. Okay, and if you will notice under it there is like what they call this, some sort of protection, so that even if you flip this on and on or even off, it doesn't really make any difference. So I'm gonna remove this so that we can see how it works. Okay, so it's like a lock. I don't really know the term of this one, but there you go. I remove it. Okay. And I'm gonna flip it open. There you go. So okay, based on Lazada's description, this should have seven lights or seven colors. Let's see. So this one's like white, yellow. Well, this one is white, blue, and it's changing again to purple or pink, pinkish, I guess. So one, two, three, like red, four, and then five, like blue. I really can't determine the colors. Six, I think that's six, and that's seven. Is it seven? Yeah, I'm guessing so, because we are actually back to the purple or the pink one. So what I've noticed is that I think this would be sufficient enough to illuminate the room. Uh, but well, unfortunately, you cannot change the color sequence of it. It doesn't have any indication or anything that would allow us to do some color changing. Let's turn it off and let's see what's inside. Okay, I cannot open it. Alright, so I somehow managed to open it, and these would be the batteries. It's like three. um, is it lithium? I'm not really quite so sure, but these are normally found on a watch. I suppose it's a bit thicker though, so I think you can find this somewhere, anywhere where you buy batteries and such, power sources. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. There you go. Well, if you're wondering if how small this thing is, this kitty fox thing, let me actually show you in comparison. So this would be a cell phone, J7 J7 Pro. Okay, um okay, so there you go. Can you I'm not so sure if you can see it, but there you go. It's small. It's a lot smaller than expected, because I'm expecting it to be as big as this cell phone, but it's like half of it. Let me see if I can make any more comparison. So let's see. Um, this is a coffee, a small one, or regular. So there we go. I think you can see the difference between the height of these two. Well, that's it. So far, I think this one is good enough. It's cute. My hands are wet now. So I haven't really gotten to use this yet, but if ever that there will be some changes, or let's say for instance how much or how many days can I use it in a full 8 hours or 12 hours sometime on my sleep, I'm gonna tell you. Probably I'll go ahead and update you with this one. So far so good. I think this is good enough to illuminate a room for you if you're not really that person who can sleep in a totally dark room, because I am one of the person. I really can't sleep if the room is too dark. And yeah, that's it. Just in case that you might be interested with this thingy, with this cutie foxy thingy to illuminate your room, you can actually check the link below this video. That will give you the link as well as the description, or the full description of this one. Okay, well, that's it for today, and see you guys again on other or next unboxing. Have a good one.